Hey everyone, so here is this interesting app called Answer.ai. It's growing quite high in charts, as you can see in productivity category. And it just has like literally like 59 ratings. It's like a small size, like 66 megabytes or something. And then with this app you can just scan and get instant answers on your phone. Answer study smarter, not harder. So probably you've heard about apps like Photomask, Gaussmask, like homework helper apps. They're getting a lot of popularity, and especially in the circles of students and high schools, where people just can scan like their math homework and get some suggestions and learn that way. But of course, especially with the introduction of ChatGPT 4 and its focus on the new visual features where you can scan literally an image and it will use the power of ChatGPT 4 and just basically suggest you what this image is about, or it can completely analyze the text in the image. It can tell what is in specific website or what is in specific PDF document. So yeah, then you can just open up this app. You can give access to the camera, and then you can just, if you're having trouble with the math, you can just tap to try now, and then you just need to scan your question. Here you just see my hand, or you can just go and select math, or you can select something with your camera. And then you can just create an account actually with your Apple ID to see and to get all the images. Then here, and then you can just tap get. You can invite friends. Here's my invite code actually, and then if you invite friends you can get some rewards and all of that. So I don't know, because I'm not like at home. I can just give you like the image. Let's say what's okay. So it's not like ChatGPT 4 or something, where you can just take an image and it will describe this image. So here you just need to scan some mathematical equation or some question, like question about history, geography, whatever, or like maths, physics, and then it will just write you a suggestion and answer. So that can be pretty powerful. I don't know if this app runs on ChatGPT 4 or just ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, whatever. But it has again limitations, reusage, and then you can just delete an account here.